and we start with Sefer Chofetz Chaim. And now big topic is the same, Lashon Hara, laws of derogatory speech. And today's topic is the listener. Once something is defined as derogatory, it is forbidden to relate to others, to relate it other than for constructive purposes, under specific conditions which will be discussed later. So if it's derogatory speech, only if it's for a constructive purpose, meaning that you want to warn other person, right, of some danger or some scam or something, or to prevent from like wrong business partnership or something. That would be for constructive purpose. One may not share negative information about people with friends and family, including one's spouse. Right, so some people think that spouse, okay, it's part of yourself. It is true on one hand, but on another hand, all of the laws of Lashon Hara apply, as we learn, even to children. Right. Speaking about to another spouse about a child, if it's for constructive purpose, and that would be allowed, but otherwise it's not. It must be understood that relating Lashon Hara to one's spouse is no less forbidden than relating to anyone else. To focus on another shortcoming is undignified and wrong. Right? So, especially as we said about other person shortcomings, as we say, as we have some clowns like on our YouTube channel, they comment. So I told them, if you saw such a knowledgeable person, maybe you want to help us with our work. We have a lot of work. I can give you some assignment. Nobody ever replied. Very interesting. Okay. So same is here. If you want to help, somebody, if you see person's shortcomings and you want to help, so help, but in a proper way, without humiliating him or her.